Hi there, Xiaomi's on a spree. After the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2, today they have launched the Redmi Earbuds S. I know many would prefer this to the long stem design that the Mi Wireless earphones have. Also, these produce more bass, and I know everyone loves bass. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it, let's see how they look, how they perform. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging. You can see the name here, Redmi Earbuds S. Down here, IPX4, sweat and splash proof. Up to 12 hours playback and works with voice assistant. On the back are some details, pretty compact and small packaging. Alright, let's open it. Inside here we have the Redmi earbuds, 2 pair of extra ear tips, instruction manual, and there's no charging cable. Oh yeah, seriously, no charging cable in the box. Alright, let's have a look at the earbuds. Wow, firstly the case is really compact, easily fits in your palm. It's got a black matte finish, looks really classy. On the back is the micro USB charging port. I so wish this was the USB-C. Anyway, micro USB should be fine too. Let's flip open the cap. Nice satisfying click. And finally, we see the earbuds. Let's remove the plastics from the top first. They are held in with magnets so they don't fall off even if you turn the case upside down. Let's remove it and see. Ooh, that's really light. Any guesses how much these weigh? Just 4.1 grams. Yup, lighter than an A4 sheet of paper. It's got this bud kind of a design where they should completely snug into your ear canal. It's got tactile buttons on the back which can be used to pause, play tracks and to activate voice assistant. We'll check it a little later. Here's the mic on the top for phone calls. The build quality looks really stealthy and solid. Putting them back in the case and the red light turns on, showing that they're charging. When you connect a micro USB cable, you can see that the red light on the case turns on as well. So let's pair them. So I'm using the Redmi K20 Pro for this. Now the process is fairly simple. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, turn it on. Open the AirPods cover, remove the earbuds and keep them aside. There you go. You can see the Redmi earbuds name on the list. Click, connect and you're done. Similarly, let's pair an iPhone and see. Open the settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on. Open the cover, remove the earbuds, keep them aside. Now you'll see the name show up in the list. Click, connect and you're done. So it doesn't matter if you are an Android user or an iPhone user, these will work with both and the pairing process is extremely easy. Alright, it's time to check the fit. So the first thing is that you get a chime that is paired and connected, which is great. Also they snuck in very well to your ear canal, sealing almost everything outside. I can barely even hear myself. Wow, they've got a really good grip actually, I should tell you. Oh, did I mention that they also have IPX4 sweat and splash resistant. These hold on so well that they're not going to fall off easily. You can swap the tips with other sizes if you feel that they're too tight or loose. For me, the ones that came fit perfectly. It's so hard to say how comfortable they will be after long hours of wearing them, but I've used these very briefly, but sure, they feel really comfortable and I think a couple of hours and it won't hurt. Alright, it's time to play some music on these. Wow, the sound is quite rich. It also helps that the seal is good. The other good thing is that the overall music footprint is sharp, good highs and mids. You can feel the instrument separation actually. The bass is decent, not very deep, but you can feel the punch. They do get a lot loud, so you don't have to worry about that. The sound quality is actually exactly how most of us would like it. Also, I get asked a lot about these truly wireless earphones is, can you just wear one for music and phone calls? Well, yes. In these, you can wear either of these for a phone call or for music and they work. It's not that you can only wear the left or only the right, but you can wear either of these and they'll work, which is another great pro. Buttons on the top are very handy on both the earbuds. You can press either of these once to answer or end a call, press and hold for 1 second to reject a call when a call is coming, double press for voice assistant, Google Assistant for Android and Siri for iPhone obviously. The buttons are tactile and you can actually feel the click. They respond very well. Buttons unmap to change tracks or volume. You can do that only by speaking to the voice assistant or reach out to your phone. Now there is one tap gesture that I'm particularly excited about. Triple press to enable game mode. Yes, these come with game mode, which means audio delay and latency are effectively reduced. The latency on these is 122 milliseconds. That's even better than the Apple AirPods Pro. Yes, the Apple AirPods Pro have a latency of 144 milliseconds. So without wasting any time, let's test it. Triple press on either of the buds to activate the gaming mode. You'll hear a chime, so you know that the gaming mode has been enabled. To disable this, you have to press either of these buttons thrice again. Why would you want to disable, you'd ask? Well, that's because gaming mode might impact your battery life. So when you're listening to music, the delay actually won't matter. It would be perfect to turn these on only while you're gaming or watching a movie. Alright, let's move to the test. I'm playing PUBG here and I can notice a very slight delay, but it's totally negligible. It's something you realize only when you're trying to focus on the latency. But trust me, it's negligible. I'm watching a video on YouTube and I can say this feels almost seamless. The Redmi earbuds with the gaming mode are a treat for the gamers. Very impressive. These earbuds also have environmental noise cancelling for phone calls. Now don't confuse these for noise cancelling earphones. They basically reduce ambient sound so that the person you're talking to over the phone can hear you clearly. I've tested these for phone calls and they work pretty well. Much better than I expected, to tell you frankly. But only I got to test them indoors because of the current scenario. So it wouldn't be right to comment how well these work outdoors. But indoor calls were clear and the opposite person didn't complain of any echo or disturbance. So finally, battery life. Well, Xiaomi claims 4 hours of battery on these at 80% volume, which is above average compared to the market norms for truly wireless earbuds at this price. Because usually it's 3 to 4 hours at 50% volume. The case can hold charge to play these for 12 hours. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge from 0 to 100 and the case takes about 1.5 hours to charge when the battery is depleted. Also a very important point, these aren't the same Redmi AirDots that released last year. A lot of us had imported it from China. I'd also made a video on it, you should check it out. Now these are kind of next generation. These are IPX4, they have gaming mode, easy pairing, environmental noise cancelling, which the Redmi AirDots lack. So don't confuse these for those. Alright, final thoughts. 2 things I wish they had that would have made them close to perfect. Pop-up pairing mode and USB-C charging port. Both of these things that we saw in the Mi wireless earphones too. It's not a deal breaker, but having these would be really great. Frankly, the pairing process though is a lot easier than I've seen on most earphones. Also, it's available only in black. Come on, we need more colors. Yeah, maybe I'm nitpicking. Rest everything about these is positive. Good sound quality, excellent fit, brilliant gaming mode, low latency, and these are the prime factors that we look for when we want to buy a true wireless earphones. Also, we don't know the price and availability yet, but by the time this video goes live, we'll know both. You can find the price and the availability, everything about them in the description. Also, if you'd like to buy these, I'll leave the links for that as well in the description. So finally, I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions regarding the Redmi earbuds. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.